What's up, guys? I'm here at Toronto Chrysler waiting for them to open. Picking up some diff fluid because I'm gonna change that out this weekend. And while I waited, I figured I'd talk to you about my headlights. I've had the JW Speaker 8700 Evolution 2s installed for probably like 6 months now, and I want to let you guys know how they held up and clarify a few things about the driving modes, what they look like daytime running, nighttime, high beam. Just give you a nice overview because I was a little mistaken when I first made my unboxing video. So let's review this thing. Alright, so if you guys aren't familiar with the headlights, they are a direct LED replacement for your factory halogens. They plug and play, there's no additional harnesses needed. Super awesome. The output is crazy good. We're talking about 1700 raw lumens for your driving light, and then roughly 3200 raw lumens for your high beam. So you're gonna get a huge spread, you're gonna get nice coverage. If you guys want to learn a little bit more about the feature set and how they install, you can check out some of my prior videos. Right now we're gonna focus on how they held up. Now I live in Canada, so we have snow. One thing you're gonna have to consider when going LED, they don't heat up like a halogen. So if you've got a bunch of snow piled up in front of your headlights, you're gonna have to make sure to clean those off. Not a big deal, but I thought I'd mention it. Alright, I'm gonna find a better place to park because I think I'm in the way here. I'm gonna spin around and then we'll go over the driving modes because I want to clarify a few things, and we can take a look at the lenses, see if there's any scratches or anything weird. But overall, these are a great investment and I don't regret them at all. Should be one of the first things you do when buying an older JK. Older JK? Yeah, JO. Great, starting to rain.
Okay, so first things first, the Jeep is off. Great. Headlights are off. You probably could have guessed that. Now just for fun, let's use the auto start. What happens when we turn the Jeep on? Okay, headlights are still off. That's cool. Let's unlock the Jeep. Headlights are back on. Lock it. They're off. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and stop this guy. So another interesting fact about these lights, they stay off when you're in park. So I'm gonna get into the Jeep, I'm gonna turn it on, just like I did, and I'm gonna switch it into drive, and then I'm gonna switch it back into park. Let's see what happens. Okay, so just like I said, when it's in park, lights are off. Put it into drive, they turn on. It's like this cool stealth mode. I honestly don't mind it, it's kind of cool. Okay, so now let's talk about what part of the headlight actually turns on. There's two optics here, we got some side markers, and we have this half halo. This half halo actually doesn't work as a daytime running light. Interesting. Daytime running lights include the two optics. They're kind of in like a really super low mode. They're on, but it's very hard to notice. What you do get are the two side markers. Those things are on full blast and it looks kind of cool. I'm going to turn it on for you now. So what you get with the normal driving light, say at nighttime or whatever, you get the top optic, you get the side markers, and then you get the half halo. It looks something like this. Okay, so with the high beams on, you're getting a lot of light. And this is a good time to talk about the differentiator, this generation from the last. So the last one, whenever you put the high beam on, it would go from your driving light and switch to your high beam. So only one would be on at a time. This time around, what they've done with the Evolution 2s. It goes driving, and then when you switch on the high beams, those go on as well, so you have a dual burn. Way more light output with this. Gives you the spread of the driving beam and the distance of the high beam.
Thanks for waiting here with me while this dealership opens. I finally got my diff fluid. Thanks for watching. Comment below if you think you're going to pick up these headlights. And please subscribe for future videos. Thanks.